Hello everybody, hope you're all having a fantastic day. Welcome to Old Stables House in Colinsburgh. This is a beautifully presented 2-bedroom mid-terrace period property. What I love most about this property, move-in condition. It's only 1 mile from Canucka, only 2.5 miles from Ely. You have your local shop, the primary school, the library and the petrol station. Your close proximity to Dunbarney Golf Course and Charlton Golf Course, and you have the fantastic woodland and countryside walks up at Balcarras Estate. So I'm going to flip the camera around now and take you on the tour. So as I just flip the camera around here, I'm going to show you the property itself. So it's Old Stables House in Colinsburgh. You'll see the beautiful stonework to the property there, and you have, as I just pan up here, you have your garage / workshop there, which is brilliant for storage, etc. And I'm just going to walk up here and show you the beautiful stonework on the property to the rear here as well. Loads of character with this property. It's one that you really need to come and see to appreciate. I'll just come back and give you another look at the front external from a different angle. You'll see the sun beating down on the property there. So I'll come on and show you from a face on front on view from the front external. And this, if you just walk up the road here, that's all the way up to Balcarras Estate, where you'll see the beautiful countryside walks. So let's go in now and take you on the tour. So as we enter the property, you'll get a feel for the standard of finish and how well it is presented. So off to the right hand side, you have the utility area. Fantastic for storage, you have a sink in here as well. So if you've been out on the golf course at Dunbarney or Charlton or further afield, or on your countryside walks with the family or pets, get in there and get your wet gear off. We'll then come to the end of the hallway and come into bedroom number 1, which is a good sized double room. I'll just enter and show you from a slightly different angle. And this room benefits from ensuite WC, so you'll see the WC and heated towel rail. And as I just enter and pan round, you also have wash hand basin. So really handy to save you walking up the stairs. And the room also benefits from a fitted wardrobe as well. So we'll then make our way upstairs. We'll pan off to the right hand side and make our way through. So you have boiler cupboard here, so the boiler is in there and really handy for storage. And then we'll come into bedroom number 2 that I'm showing you, which is a really good sized double room. You have the huge window to the front there, letting in the natural light. As I just enter, I'm going to come in the corner here and pan round from this angle so you can see the fitted wardrobes. And I love the decor with this property, trying to keep it in character with the period features. And then we'll make our way through and down the hallway into the family bathroom. So you'll see the wash hand basin, WC, and you also have shower over the bath. You'll see it's mainly tiled, really good standard of finish. As I pan round, you'll see the heated towel rail, and you have these really handy storage cupboards as well. And then we'll continue on the tour and come into my favourite part of the property, which is this dining lounge area. So you'll see a dining table set up there for 4, and as I pan round, you come into the sitting area with the log burner going, and the dual aspect windows letting in the natural light. You'll get a sneak peek of the views to the rear, over to the countryside, which is amazing. But you can imagine yourself in here on the wintry nights with the fire going. Basically heating the whole property. And then just off the dining sitting room, we have this beautiful kitchen. Really good standard of finish. You'll see you have plenty of cupboard space throughout, good amount of worktop space. You have integrated oven, grill, hobs and microwave. You also have the wash hand basin, and you have the natural light coming in with the window to the front. And I really love the tiled splashback as well. I'll just pan round the sitting dining area from this angle so you can get a good look around and good perspective on the property. So I'm going to park myself down here right in front of the fire. Recap. So thanks for watching, everybody. This has been the personal property tour for Old Stables House in Colinsburgh. Moving condition, 2-bedroom, mid-terrace, period property. Only 1 mile from Canucka, 2.5 miles from Ely. You have the local shop, petrol station, walking distance to the primary school, close proximity to Dumbarney and Charlton Golf Course, and you have the Balcarras estate for your woodland walks, etc. close by as well. This would appeal to first-time buyers, holiday homeowners, or even a young family. So if you'd like further details on this property, give me a call today on 01334 654 221. I'm Jimmy for Fife Properties TV. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your day.